Hey, welcome back to Market Mamas. I'm the host, Becky, and I'm a US-based futures day trader. This Market Mamas episode is a little different. Today I'm going to read a guided script that I wrote to help myself feel grounded and centered immediately before my trading sessions. I wrote this before Market Mamas was even born as a way to personally guide my own thoughts for my highest good and outcome. I want to approach every trading session feeling calm, centered, and focused on what my setups look like and reminded of all the work that I have done that has prepared me for each opportunity. There's massive power in preparing for your arena, be it day trading, a sporting event for an athlete, or an important business meeting, with centering your thoughts, steadying your breath and body, and remembering how truly qualified you are. I love to listen to this track each morning just after waking up and before I finalize my trading hypothesis for the day. So it is with a grateful and open heart that I am sharing this tool that has been of tremendous value to me personally with you all. Please do subscribe to this Market Mamas channel, save this video so that you can easily come back to it each morning and use it to help you also center your mind and spirit to slay your trading day right along with me. All right. Find a comfortable position. Let's take a deep breath. Let's go. I've done it. I've learned a real edge in trading the stock market. I've studied nearly every day for years now. I've taken some incredible trades based on my own technical analysis and market read. I've won beautiful trades and taken my piece of the profits that the stock market makes available for skilled and dedicated traders. I've paid my market tuition along the way and earned my right to be a consistent and profitable trader. Now I am ready to advance my dream, to build my accounts, to see the compounding effects of my efforts, to acknowledge and feel at home in my seat at the table of sustainable day traders. I'm ready to execute with the best traders in the world, to gauge where the market is going, and to join the moves with confidence. I have put in the work. This is my year to see true growth in my accounts based on my daily choices. I know this will require incredible mental strength, patience, and discipline daily. My mental fortitude will be the key to my success. So right now and from here on in, I commit myself to thinking and feeling like the consistently profitable day trader I have shown that I am. I realize that it is a little different here at the top, that everyone else I interact with is also a competitive trader, each with their own unique style and journey. But that only gets me more excited about showing how good I am and how clearly I see the market's movements. What I can do when I get the chance. I know that every day I can see and execute on strong trades within my instrument. Not everyone can hold strong and consistent with their executions, but I am focused, steady, and disciplined to only execute on the best opportunities and capitalize on what the market abundantly offers. From now on, I crank up the work ethic, the drive, the motivation, and the desire that got me here to this skill level in the first place. I realize that I can't just take my work habits for granted, that I have to come to the markets every day with a purpose and study with an unending curiosity to understand the markets even better. If I don't keep the heat on, things will only cool off. From here on in, whenever I think about trading, I think about trading great. I accept that even the best traders in the world will still make mistakes, but they don't let it bother them. The great traders know that success is all about how you handle your errors. That it is not about being perfect, it is about trading well despite struggles. It is only when we overreact to making a mistake that we cause problems. I have come so far in dealing with a bad trading outcome and am so much better at it than I was even a year ago. So I'm going to keep a great attitude, hold my head up between every trade. From here on in, I refuse to open my charts without totally and completely deciding to choose faith in myself. I will bring my best, most focused attitude with me every time I consider taking a trade. Totally confident, totally focused, totally certain. I keep a great attitude and a great mindset during the trade preparation and market analysis time. When it is trading time, I am into the fun, the opportunity, the challenge, and the excitement of day trading. I know I can hold my focus, and I know I can win. From here on in, I accept that it is easier to trade great by taking the pressure off myself instead of putting more pressure on. So I will eliminate all negative words from my life. Instead, I only think I will trade my best now. I know that I don't have to be perfect to take a great trade. My attitude is to enjoy trading and the challenge of trading with the best of the best. I commit myself to trading smartly. That means no matter what the situation, I keep my mind on winning the next small victory, making the right choice when it matters. That means I control my thoughts while at my charts and totally trust myself to make the right decisions in the moments that will arise. Trading smart means I keep it simple. I commit to building my confidence daily. I know that I determine my confidence by how I think, how I act, and how I approach trading and discussions with my fellow traders. That means I deliberately focus my mind on the thoughts and memories that create energy, optimism, and enthusiasm. Like that day when I saw the market movement so clearly and executed flawlessly at my levels with purposeful and logical targets. I know I have a strong market education and incredible patience. My trading edge is powerful and able to provide me with a setup every day that I want to trade. All I have to do is trust myself. The more I keep my mind focused on these strengths and qualities, the more powerful I feel and the more ready I become to enter this arena and take my piece. The result of all this? I am more excited than ever about my next opportunity to day trade. I will do whatever I have to so I can trust my skills the way that I trust my intuition and my worthiness. I arrive at my office at least 45 minutes before the market opens each day. I take my time to carefully follow my process and create my killer hypothesis about how the early part of the day's market may move. I carefully consider multiple scenarios and purposefully weigh the data for each potential. I feel the delicious onset of trading session adrenaline. I feel it in my stomach and in my heart. The signals that my brain is going into high gear. I smile. All that power flowing through my body and fueling my brain. Right on cue. Getting me ready to conduct my business at the elite level. Other traders may be nervous in their preparations and be wishing that the butterflies would go away. Not me. I know they are signals of power. I have waited for them and look forward to their coming. Now they are here, and I love it. My goal today is to trade with full confidence. I have no interest in fear as I totally trust all the training I've put in, and I just show up ready. When I do that, I know I will trade well regardless of my end-of-day P&L. Just before my trading session, I zero in on my highest likelihood scenarios and envision what they will look like. I see the candle pattern potential. Here, I close my eyes and breathe deeply with focus and faith. I think about how much fun it is to trade, how lucky I am to have this ability and opportunity. In my mind, I see my strategy unfolding. I feel the excitement building, but temper it with my long, steady breaths. I can feel my heart rate quicken and my focus intensify. I love this feeling. I have never felt better, more ready, and more clear. When the market opens, I know I am ready. All the work is done. This is what I am here for. I only feel readiness, excitement, and confidence as the market starts moving. I am prepared, happy, and curious as the candles start printing. I love watching my setups develop for me. I watch. I wait. I let her move. I know the market will give me my levels, my setups. There's no need to rush a trade. The market and I see each other. I will know when it is time to execute. When I see my setup getting ready, I remind myself of how to get in, where my ideal entry and exit is. I know how to execute the trade. I do so with skill and purpose. This is what I love. This is what I show up for. A chance to feel my skill and dedication pay off. I am powerful and unrelenting in my pursuit of my piece of the market. Everything I have built has led me here. I earned this outcome, a strong, clear, clean, profitable trade. This is where I choose to be. This is what I love. The challenge of putting my mind and psychology to the test and earning the limitless rewards of this pursuit. Feeling the rush that only comes from an executed day trade, I know that I truly love it all. Not only when I win, but every day that I get to enter this arena and do my best. Sometimes I will have hard days, but if it wasn't this hard, then anyone could do it. Whenever it gets tough, I just remind myself that I love it. And when the trials come, I will be totally ready to lean into my skills and surrender to my process. Nothing can stop me when I decide to keep showing up. This is my year. All right, traders, let's get it with our day. Market Mama Becky wishing you the best trading session. We got this.